A malfunctioning water dispenser can be a frustrating issue, and there are several possible reasons why it may not be working. One common cause is a clogged water filter, which can prevent water from flowing to the dispenser. If the filter is clogged, it's best to replace it, as it's recommended to change the filter every 6 months for dispensers that have one. Another possible reason is that the water supply line may not be open, preventing water flow. To fix this, ensure that the saddle valve connecting the main water supply to the refrigerator is fully open, allowing water to reach the fridge. Additionally, the water line may have frozen due to ice buildup in the freezer or dispenser, which can be resolved by using a hairdryer to melt the ice in the water line. By addressing these potential issues, you should be able to resolve the problem and get your water dispenser working again.